This zucchini and ground beef skillet served with crispy potato wedges for my January meal plan is an easy meal you can make in under 30 minutes that'll satisfy your taste buds and balance your blood sugar. Start by preheating your oven while you wash and slice the potatoes. I'll be using speed bake, so I'm using avocado oil, which has a high smoke point and won't oxidize and cause inflammation. Season with the same seasonings as the meat, so the two will be tasty together. I'm using garlic and onion powder, cumin, and salt and pepper. Once the taters are in the oven, begin browning the grass-fed beef. Add sliced zucchini and a can of diced tomato with the juices. I like to swirl a little water in the can to get the last bits of tomato and provide a little liquid for steaming the zucchini. Let that simmer with the lid on about 15 minutes until the zucchini are to your desired doneness. I love to cook big batches of items, like I did today, with the potato wedges, so it's easy to mix and match items I've got in my fridge for creating meals in minutes, whether I'm making a quick breakfast, packing lunches, or short on time. My family loved this zucchini and ground beef skillet, which they said was like a healthy hamburger helper. If you want more recipes and food tips to keep your blood sugar balanced, lose weight, and have more energy, please like and subscribe. You can get this recipe and the January meal plan in the link below.